Dear kids, today we are going to learn the sound of K. The sound of K is K, 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 kite, kite, K, K, kite, K, K, kick, kick, K, K, kick. Next word is K, K, key, key, K, K, key, K, K, king, king, K, K, kettle, kettle, K, K, kettle, K, K, kitchen, kitchen, K, K, kitten, kitten. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more such videos.